Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Letitia with Barefoot Garden. What's up, peeps? So I'm outside today. Everybody's cutting their grass, so I have my mask. I'm not gonna be able to keep this off very long, honey, because my eyes and my nose and everything else is already on swole, honey, and itching. You know, I'm not too bad where I'm going making those noises and but honey, it's bad. Little Big Girl Farmer is back. She said, I don't know why she's back, but oh, and you got an award. Yeah, she won an award at her school, and she was promoted to the, what grade? Pre-K, the second class in pre-K. So she is excited.
Yeah.
What is it? What is it called? The Biggest Heart for Christ Award. Yay!
And people home, I'm gonna try to make what I got from my school that I won for first grade. But I heard a lot of noises, so that's why I was looking at everybody. And I'm gonna try to.
So it is a gorgeous day outside today. The clouds are in the sky, but it's like those blue skies with the white clouds. It's pretty. I think we got a storm coming over here though. It looks interesting back there, doesn't it? But anywho, I'm cool in the sun, and it's beautiful, and it feels good to be outside and enjoying nature as much as I can. Again, we're gonna have to put this on in a second because everybody wants to mow their grass today. Everybody. So I don't know if you all have experienced this, but I totally have moments where I am finding myself learning about myself in the garden, and definitely every opportunity that I have to reflect about my day, about a relationship, about a situation, whatever it is, I take that opportunity to do that in the garden. It's just a place where I can have peace. I can rough some stuff up if I need to. That's why I love to dig. I love to plant things, to sow seeds, because I get this, feeling of having new life and expecting new life, and it's just beautiful. Hey! And so I know, I did too.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is going to be perfect to make a cage with cardboard so we can catch your.
So, sorry, Little Big Girl Farmer always has something to say. Y'all know how she is. But yeah, I find myself just learning a lot about myself in the garden, and it's just one of those things where I think if you would just allow the garden to be a space where you can do just about anything, you'll be surprised at what happens. So I grow a lot as a person while I'm in my garden, and I know that might sound crazy to some. It's like, gardening is just about pulling weeds and planting flowers. Well, no. Not necessarily. I don't feel that way. I feel like there are tons of opportunities to grow wherever you are in the world, and one of those places for me is in my garden. So what do I mean by growth? Well, when you are planting a garden and you're expecting the garden to bear fruit, it takes some time for that to actually happen, don't it? So, you can't just plant a seed and expect the next day that you're going to have a crop to harvest, right? So I was reading, I'm not going to be able to do this video. Chad, Little Big Girl Farmer is on some stuff today. Hold on a second, y'all. I apologize. Okay, so I was reading the book today, and it said something like this. If you wait on, the clouds in the sky to clear, and if you wait on or try to figure out how the wind is going to blow, then you're not going to be able to plant and reap a harvest. And, I was thinking about that because how how many times in my life, not just in this year, but have I waited and waited and waited for the perfect time to do something, right? And the result almost always is Letitia never does it, because I make myself wait, right, into the perfect moment. And one thing I've learned about in the garden is there are some things that, like basics, that you should understand about gardening. Like, you know, if you try to plant a tomato and it's 32 degrees outside, well, you can sow the seed, but you probably shouldn't expect it to come up anytime soon, right? Because it's just too cold for that crop. But what I think the book is trying to say to me is, you know, just do it. Just do it. And you will never ever know some things in life, because our way of understanding is not his way. So we're not ever going to be able to understand everything, and everything is not going to go the way we plan. So if I keep putting things off, if I keep waiting to sow a seed, I can't expect a harvest. And we all know in the garden that you know, we can plant something and it come up and it's beautiful, and then boom, a pest hits it, right, and eats it up, or a disease hits the tree and takes the tree, or you know, we know that there can be some casualties in the garden. But if we never ever planted, we never give or allow an opportunity for growth. Wow. You know, I know it's loud out here, y'all. I'm sorry for all the background noise, but I hope you can hear what I'm trying to say. So anywho, I'm just, you know, these are the thoughts of bare fruit gardening. You know, and I'm always trying to be conscious of those lessons in the garden. I believe that you can grow food and you can grow all at the same time. I think that should be an expectation when you're in your garden. Little big girl farmer again.
I'm cutting this.
Yes, she's cutting her sidewalk chalk. So, to make a long story short, y'all, with that being said, you know, just do it.